All right, this is 5.7.13. All right, and this is your last lab of this section. So in this one, it's asking us to investigate the 4 errors in column I. So if I come to I, here's one of the errors. It gives, if you click on it, it'll give you a little triangle. And if there's a real problem, it's asking you to fix it, right? So I can click on this and it's saying sum E6 to H6, right? And it looks fine, right? Sum E6 to H6. So I'm going to actually click on this one and ignore it, right? And then I'm going to go to the other ones and this says sum E6 to H6. Nope, it should be 9, E9 to H9, which should fix the error. And then the last one, it says total E11 through H11, right? And we don't want total, we want sum, all right? E11, check that. Does it have the right ones? Yep. And then the last one, it has sum E14 minus H14, and it should be a semicolon. And we're going to check our answers to see if we got all of them. Perfect, perfect, perfect. And then the last one in J6, which is this one, create a formula using the relative references that returns the value of the total number of Furbits sold times their price. Use the fill handle to copy this formula J7 through J15. Right, so we want a formula, total number times their price. So we want this one, we're creating a formula, oops, that is going to take the total number of the Furbit and multiply it by its price. And then we're going to use the handles and drag that down to all of the cells. Check your answers to make sure everything's good. It is. All right, the last task. In case 6, we're using the if function. So case 6 is going to be there. We're going to do equals if to create a formula that will return yes if the revenue from Furbits is equal or higher to the threshold value in N5. So if selected, if the formula that will return yes if the revenue from the Furbits is equal or higher. So if this, our revenue, is greater than or equal to this, we want yes or no. So is 52,000 higher than 30? Yes, it is. Now the other thing that we're going to do is we want the relative reference. So I'm going to put the dollar signs by the N5. So when we click on this and we drag it down to the other cells, they will all have N5 as our comparable. So I'm going to check the answers. Everything looks good. That is it for this one.